Another day, another solution. Let's talk dirt. Let me guess. Your homeowners association is driving you absolutely crazy. They're sending you letters, fines, threats, maybe even lawyers already. And you're sitting there thinking, but I'm not wrong. They're being ridiculous. I'll fight this. Before you do, let's talk about why HOA litigation can become a very expensive mistake. First, let me say this very clearly. I get it. Some homeowners associations are irritating, some are overbearing, and some are incredibly nitpicky. And some management companies, they make things worse, a lot worse. From letters, zero discretion, and no common sense. If you're frustrated, you're not crazy. But here's the other side, and this part also matters. Covenants and deed restrictions exist for a reason. They help protect property values. They create expectations. They keep neighborhoods from spiraling into chaos. No junk cars everywhere, no half-built additions, no complete free-for-all. When they work properly, they benefit everyone. Homeowners associations are the enforcers of restrictions. And this is where problems usually begin. Most homeowner association boards are made up of volunteers. Some are reasonable, some are overwhelmed, and some they become power hungry. Sometimes decisions aren't about enforcement. They're about control or convenience or personal benefit. That's not theory. That happens in real life. Now, here's the part people don't like hearing, but I'm going to say it anyway. Deed restrictions are contracts. They were publicly recorded before you bought your property. When you purchased your home, you agreed to those restrictions, whether you signed them physically or not. And courts enforce these contracts very strictly, not emotionally, not flexibly, strictly. Now pay attention because here's where things get really dangerous. Most HOA disputes involve a few $1,000s. Fines, fees, repair demands, and compliance issues. But experienced real estate litigators, they charge hundreds of dollars per hour. Now, I don't have to tell you, those numbers add up very quickly. And so if you litigate and lose, you don't just pay your attorney thousands of dollars. You're often paying the association's attorneys too. Thousands can become tens of thousands really fast. Unfortunately, I see people get really burned. They're right on principle, but they're wrong strategically. They litigate out of frustration, and the system doesn't reward that. If you lose an HOA lawsuit, you didn't just lose money. You may have given the HOA a lien against your home. That lien will include fees, costs, attorney's fees, sometimes $10,000. I've seen liens $20,000 and even more. And the worst part about it is they can foreclose that lien. Now think about what's truly at stake. Your house, all your equity, your family's stability. And here's the truth. The HOA is playing for keeps. They risk nothing. You risk everything. So here's the key takeaway. Pick your battles wisely. Litigate only when absolutely necessary. Get advice early, understand the risks, and understand the costs. Don't be petty, even when the association is, because being right can be really expensive, and being wrong can be disastrous. I hope this video has been informative. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. This is your channel, an ongoing conversation about relevant legal issues pertaining to Texas real estate. Drop your questions or comments below. And remember, these videos are not intended as ultimate legal advice, but they are for educational purposes to help you narrow the issues you may be facing. And if you need legal help beyond this video, visit us at our website found in the comments section below. As always, thank you for tuning in.